Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you currently do not have Microsoft Webview 2 Runtime installed when try opening Camtasia or any program in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to install the Microsoft Webview 2. To do this, open up Chrome and search download Webview 2. Press enter. You just need to select download Microsoft Edge WebView 2 link. Select the download option. Select the accept and download, and it started downloading. Now you just need to click on it. If you get this installation failed ad, then you just need to select the download icon and select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select run as administrator and select yes. Now it started installing. After installing this, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.